Hello and welcome back. I'm S.SYLVESTARCHRISTY and you're watching Autotech CBE for all biking solutions. Today this video is all about this big unit. This is a Magneto unit which comes for generation 1 Bullet and for AGS, Matchless and Norton, these kind of antique bikes. This comes for only for antique bikes. This is a high tension coil unit. This comes with a plug adapter wire. For old bikes, this is the source for current source for olden bikes. This video is all about this. This unit comes only for antique bikes like generation Bullet and Norton, ABS, BSA, Matchless, and these kind of antique bikes only. This unit located in between engine and carburetor. Down to the carburetor, this unit will be connected, and this here there will be a knurling wheel will be connected to the engine, and when the engine starts, then this from this unit the HT current will be produced. How it works now? There are two types of these kind of units. One is Magneto, this thing, and the second thing is SR Magneto. That will be a smaller one. And first thing I am going to discuss about this only. In the later video I will discuss about SR Magneto. This thing comes for only antique bikes. Nowadays bikes comes like this thing. First thing is magnet coil, and the second thing is CD unit, and third thing is HT coil, and there will be from there HT coil there will be an high tension wire, and it will be connected to the plug. This thing directly connected to the plug. There is no such extra things in between this. This unit completely do the latest thing works. The CD unit, like now, it's going to be work like that. And I'm going to show you the inner parts of this first, and I'm going to describe the how it works. Now let's see the inner parts. And this is the unit which comes inside the Magneto, and this is the source unit, and the center one, white color one, that's the coil one. It has been rewinded in Pune, but it's not working yet, and we are going to rewind it. That's what that's what the work going to be. And this is the coil which I have rewinded. I'm not I didn't show you the rewinded thing. And the thing is, this is the thing. I have rewinded it. You can see it clearly, and I'm going to fit it. And now before into this is the top piece which comes to the knurling wheel, and another one is the bottom piece, and this is the body. You can see it. There is a hollow one. We are going to insert the coil inside that. You can see it. This is the old thing, and such a beautiful device this is. And the second thing I'm going to show you is this is the slipper wheel, and from here we are going to take the HT output, and you can see the yellow part in between that. That's the contact part. Now work has been finished. I'm fitting it back. You can see the bottom piece and the top piece are ready to fit it back, and you can see I'm fitting the top piece also. There's a two screws thing. We are going to just tight over it, and that's it. We are finished. And in the top of the screw plate we are going to fix the slipper wheel. From that we are going to take it out. Now I have finished everything. You can see this is the antique bikes thing. Everything has been finished. The next I'm going to show you the output of this coil. This is a high tension coil. Now I'm going to show you the that exact current, how much it comes, and there's the place where a slipper wheel has been placed. From there we are going to take the out. That's the unit from slipper wheel. I'm going to take it out, and there's a point set for this unit. From there only you are going to get the current outside, and see that that's a point set for this unit. Now I'm going to crank it, and I'm going to show you the current also. You can see I'm cranking it. You can see for every single rotation you can get a stroke of current. That's it, friends. This video is all about this. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then only you will get all the videos which I upload. And do support me, and share the video for every antique bike lovers, and please comment and like. Then only I'll come to know which video you love, and I'll make that video also. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye 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 bye.